then in this episode, we are going to look at installation of those files that we downloaded. To install those files, you need to come to your download folder, or probably any location where the files were kept. And if you are using Windows 10 and above, you would probably see it under quick access. Anytime you come, you can see where the recent files you downloaded are under quick access. So we'll go to download. You would look for the software WAEC offline. So if you don't have Crystal Report installed, you won't be able to run WAEC offline. So the software is already installed here, but the procedure, you must first install the Crystal runtime. After installing the Crystal runtime, then you can come and run this WAEC software. But since I have it installed, if I click this, they will ask me to repair if there was any problem. So download did not succeed because of network issues. This is just normal. This is normal, but it's supposed to produce and come up with and install this thing. You might not understand this, but it might come up to something like this. Let me just see the recently downloaded file if it produces the same effect. So this is a network issue, but it's supposed to pass after installing successfully. It will launch the application on its own. It will launch the application. But remember that a security screen will appear. You would have to click more and then click. You have to click more and then click install anyway, because the uh, software provider is not verified on Microsoft. So remember to do that. If not, you might not be able to install it. If you have any antivirus that is active, please disable it before doing the installation, because it will keep blocking some files from executing. So after you have this screen, you have successfully installed WAECAS, but probably because if the database is newly created, you will not have any user. So you would have a pop-up option for you to create a new user, and it's just a normal procedure. Your username and the password you want to use to access the application, and that is all. So in the next episode, we are going to look at registering schools on the WAECAS database. See you until then.